Inventions to combat global warming. 30% of Americans feel disgusted or helpless about global warming. There are inventions to turn the tides, though. Let's discuss the top 5. The top 5 inventions are edible water pods, drones that plant trees, biodegradable materials, robotic bees, and plastic eating enzymes. Before we talk about the inventions, let's talk about the causes. The causes of global warming are plastic pollution, burning fossil fuels, and greenhouse gases. Now let's talk about edible water pods. Edible water pods, called Uhu, created by Skipping Rock's lab, can bring us one step further to stopping plastic pollution. To make Uhu, you have to dip water into calcium chloride. This forms a bubbler on the water, and then for a second reinforcing layer, you dip it in an algae extract. This whole entire pod is biodegradable and edible. Uhu will be used in marathons or for just a quick refresher. It can hold up to 50 milliliters of water. It can stay fresh up to 4 to 6 weeks. To eat Uhu, you can put the whole pod into your mouth, or you can squeeze the water into your mouth. Uhu can hold salad dressings, juices, and condiments. Uhu is already sold in 3 major cities: San Francisco, Boston, and London. It will be sold in Starbucks and other stores. Next up are drones planting trees. Drones planting trees, by 2040, we believe can plant 40 billion trees. This invention was created by Drone Seed and Flash Forest. It is estimated that one person per drone can plant 10,000 seeds each day. The process of the drone planting the tree is that the drone scans the area using software where there are no trees, and then when they find where there are no trees, then they go and plant the pod. The pod is full of prime seeds. Prime means a seed with a boost of hydration. This is all in a balanced nutrients packet with boosters that can last months in the field. This whole entire process will cost 80% less than traditional ways of planting trees. They're aiming to make it 55 cents each tree. Now let's talk about biodegradable materials. Biodegradable means it can be broken down by nature or by organic organisms. This invention can stop us from polluting with plastic. This is bamboo cutlery. Bamboo is an amazing material is an amazing biodegradable material. It can be made into cutlery, roads, bicycles, pens, straws, and much more. When bamboo grows, it reduces greenhouse gases emitted into the air, and bamboo grows very fast. There are many other great biodegradable materials, such as fruits and vegetables, corks, and mycelium. Robotic bees sound cool, right? Because they are. This invention, created by robo-bees, could repopulate the bees. This invention was motivated with the idea to create a micro-aerial vehicle capable of self-contained, self-directed flight, and also being able to have coordinated behavior in large groups. The robotic bee is split into 3 parts: the head, the body, and the colony. First up is the head. The head consists of being able to mimic the real bee's eyes and antennas. The body consists of being able to fly in its own power source. And the colony consists of and lastly we have the colony, which consists of being able to have coordinated behavior and to form big colonies. The process of the robotic bee pollinating the flower is they use comparison vision to scout out flowers and flowers that need pollination, and after they find out that, they go and pollinate the flower. Lastly, we have plastic eating enzymes. This invention can eat plastic in the landfills. This bacteria can eat plastic, but can only eat PET. PET is found in cookie containers, soda and water bottles, fruit salad packaging, and some polyester fibers and fabrics. PET is found in 12% of all plastic. The process of the bacteria breaking down the plastic is that the bacteria makes the plastic smaller and smaller and chemically transforms it into a smaller reusable plastic. But in order for this to happen, the plastic needs to be melted, and scientists are trying to figure out how the bacteria can break down the plastic without needing to be melted. Because scientists created the bacteria, they created a kill button. In order to contain the bacteria, they made it so the bacteria can only eat one type of plastic. For example, if a product is made out of PET and a house is made out of a different plastic, that bacteria can only eat the PET in the products and not break down houses. Humans cause global warming, and these inventions could stop it, and don't forget, you could too. For more information, check out my blog or scan this QR code.